What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go down to the overlook, see if we see any other cars. We got the drone. I cut the tip of my finger off here, and the Tesla full self-driving is gonna help us get there without me hurting my finger anymore. Let's see how it does. Welcome. There's really one thing on this video, one point that I really want to get across. You can either describe it as the mass disconnect that we still are in and the technological advanced moat that Tesla has created that no one has even started to penetrate. And so what I mean by these two things is that, well, here, let's try that full self-driving real quick. There we go, or autopilot right now. I don't have beta yet. And, you know, it's been years upon years. Everyone knows Tesla's out. It's almost like because the time has passed, people have almost like just kind of forgotten, you know, and dismissed what, you know, the Tesla really is. I mean, first and foremost, this is to solve one of the biggest problems humanity faces on this planet. Whether you call it climate change, pollution, you know, pillaging, blight, whatever they called it throughout the years, you know, the problems with pollution will not stop, and we must get the carbon exhaust under control. It's not even a matter of, you know, rising sea levels and displacement and economical collapse. You know, this is about just simply our kids getting asthma by driving on diesel-powered school buses. The technological suppression that the oil companies have been doing over the past 50 years is unbelievable. And that's what Elon Musk and Tesla, I feel, stands for. They stand for what a world could be like without technological suppression. And without all these industries collaborating, combining their powers, you know, to hold back the advancements because of their profits, their greed, that's a problem. And I feel, you know, this is such an amazing time period that we're living in. It baffles me when I talk to someone that, you know, is completely lost to this, or is just, you know, I'm gonna come back around, just completely out of the loop with all this right here. It's crazy. Oh, actually, while we're over here, let's check out this. I've been doing this, did this on a couple short videos. Let's go and do it right now. I like to slow her down real good. I've noticed the slower I go, the more success rate I've had, but it's doing pretty good on this construction, as you can see. Whoa. Guys, we're gonna have to go back over here. This looks like some 3D house printing going on. All right, so yeah, that is a 3D printing house right there. I'm gonna see if I can grab some video. That was a great little journey. I saw a 3D printed house. Watched the sunset. Now we're heading home. You know, it's crazy. Just look at all the cars passing by. It's like I've been driving an electric car now for 6-7 years. It just seems like everyone caught on by now, but I feel like I even get more pushback nowadays than I did a few years ago. So I don't know what's going on, but it's sad to see us moving in a backwards direction. So I think I really feel Cybertruck is really going to be such a inspirational product that is the most exciting thing I feel waking up every day. Cybertruck, and then seeing full self-driving go live, seeing the actual, you know, reactions on people's faces when they see the car driving itself. So hope everyone out there has a good night, and let's go Tesla. And of course, let's thank Elon Musk.